Hello my crafter family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a flower, and for that I'm using brown and yellow yarn. You can check the details of this yarn on my Instagram. So I'm starting with a magic circle. It's also called magic loop, and then chain 2. Now 6 single crochet in first chain. So now I'm going to connect last single crochet and first single crochet with a slip stitch, and we have a little circle. Now chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and one more single crochet in the same stitch. That's how we will complete the round 2 by making 2 single crochets in each stitch. Okay, so here is a trick. If we make a magic circle like this and we connect the yarn, like just follow the video, there will be no knot and it will be very clear. Now chain 3 and yarn over again, insert the crochet hook in same stitch, yarn over from 2 loops, then again from 2 loops and last 2 loops. So we are making triple crochet here. Okay, again same process in the same stitch. Now again yarn over again and insert the crochet hook in second stitch. Just repeat the process. One more triple crochet. Okay, now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and slip stitch in the same chain or stitch. We have a first petal. Let's make one more petal. Chain 3, triple crochet in the same stitch, one more triple crochet in same stitch, triple crochet in the next stitch, one more triple crochet in the same stitch, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in the same one, and we have 2 petals now. That's how we will make 4 more petals. flower is ready. It's really cute. You can use this flower on multiple projects. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and wait for more.